Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Images and entering targeted keywords that describe what you need. Use modifiers like file type, PNG or site, edu to limit results. This reduces noise and finds higher quality matches. Once done, try the camera icon, drag an image, paste a URL, or upload a file to start a reverse image search that reveals sources, sizes, and visually similar photos. Make sure to inspect the search suggestions under the bar. They guide you to better keywords quickly. You now refine results using tools. Pick size for large images or exact to match specific dimensions, and select color or transparent to match design needs. Once you choose time, you can surface recent images. This matters when sourcing current events or trends. For legal safety, set usage rights to labeled for reuse or non-commercial reuse. Make sure to open image pages to confirm originality and license details, and use the Visual Similarity panel to explore related assets efficiently. You finish by opening the image host page to confirm license, dimensions, and context before saving. This prevents copyright issues. Use the browser save or download options and copy the source URL plus any required attribution into your project notes. If you can't find the image you expect, retry with broader keywords, remove filters, or upload a higher quality sample. Poor results often stem from low-res inputs or overly specific terms. If reverse search fails, try alternative search engines or cropping the photo and retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.